Today we're going to be making the Lego Beyblade solar flare.
This is how it goes. First we get this piece and then we put a circle one right in the center. Sometimes they're a little picky. There. And now we put this kind of circle slope piece in the middle. Now most people have it. It can spin. So now we get this piece. Now I just put these kind of pieces in a piece, so yeah, you put them on two sides. And then you do the same, but just with 4 studs. Perfect. And now we put this piece. Now I think you might be wondering why I didn't put a 4 times 4. Sorry, 2 times 2, yeah. In the middle, because this is heavier. Now we get this piece and put this, you see, this kind of piece in the middle. Oh, well, not in the middle, it's just here. Like that. And then we'll repeat, but with another one. But these, look, they don't be these the same on the same sides. They have to be diagonal. See? And now we get a 1x2 and put them in the middle. Now you get these kind of pieces. Put them on the sides. Now it's almost finished. We just need to put this on top and these just for a little decoration. You can put whatever decoration.
Well, here are some videos of the Lego Beyblade solar flare in action.
Three.